Hi, may I know your name please, ma'am?
I'm Juhi Singh.
And where do you stay in Delhi?
I stay in Swaminagar, that's in Panchsheel.
Okay. And how old is your child?
He's 8 years old.
8 years old. So what kind of classes or institutes were you looking for him?
See, basically I'm looking for something which, he's already doing his taekwondo somewhere else. So I was looking for something which is, going to give him a softer edge, like, music or art, because dance is something he's not very comfortable with. So initially I put him at some other place for the Casio classes, but he didn't pick up anything there. And now here he's for vocal.
So which option?
Vocal Hindustani.
Vocal Hindustani.
Yes.
So you finally chosen Tansen Sangeet Mahavidyalaya, Malvinagar.
Yes.
Right. So what made you choose Tansen?
See, there are two things. One is the proximity, which is quite near. I mean, not very near, but it's decent. And also I read a lot about this Tansen thing, and then the name Tansen actually attracted me to it because, it's associated with music. So that's how I came here and...
So how has your experience been with Tansen?
It's good, but it's just been a year for my child, and in between he has missed a lot of classes also. But yes, he is picking up things now, and he's picking up things.
So if you talk about two things, so what are the two things that you really like about Tansen?
Tansen, the good thing is that the atmosphere is very conducive to learning something. In that you have so many children, somebody is learning guitar, somebody is learning this and somebody is learning that. So when the child comes here, he feels that he should also learn something. So the ambience is very nice in that regard. And of course the teacher is also well qualified. So these are the two things.
So do you think, is there any scope of improvement?
Yes, there is in that, see right now, though I have spoken to the teacher about this, he is learning something which is very classical. So when when there is a gathering of children, like there is a birthday party or whatever, and you tell the child to sing, if you sing the classical song, some Piya Ki Nazariya or whatever, the other kids are not interested. So it has to be a little more modern and more relevant to the today's times,
So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you going to recommend other parents?
Around 3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks,